JPSC irregularities row has of course reached the Supreme Court as well now. A petition has been filed seeking judicial intervention. The plea is raising concerns over alleged irregularities in Jharkhand Public Service Commission process. Sambhav Sharma joins us for more on this story. Sambhav, this matter now has reached the Supreme Court as well from Jharkhand. Sambhav, are you able to hear me? Okay, I think we've lost our reporter there, but these of course are the big updates we are tracking. The JPSC irregularities row has reached the Supreme Court. A petition has been filed seeking judicial intervention. Well, the plea is raising concern over alleged irregularities in the Jharkhand Public Service Commission process. This petition now being filed in the Apex Court of India. Judicial intervention has been sought by the petitioner. The plea, of course, raising concerns over alleged irregularities in the Jharkhand Public Service Commission. If you are able to hear me now, finally, Sambhav, I am trying to ask you about this matter now reaching the Supreme Court.
Well, a public interest litigation filed by a political leader, Harisharan Devgan, in the Supreme Court seeking Central Bureau of Investigation into CBI investigation into the alleged irregularities. And this PIL is filed, has got a diary number, as in it's formally filed in the Supreme Court, and matter is represented by many senior advocates, including Satyam Rajput, who has spoken with us on this, and he said that, there are certain demands. One is CBI investigation into it, also constitute an independent committee headed by retired judge of the Supreme Court to investigate into this and direct independent audit of the OMR scanning, coding and evaluation and result generation system, and also direct the investigating agencies and independent committee to determine whether trained and untrained candidates can reliably be separated on the basis of objective and verifiable material. We have the copy of this petition. In fact, we can play it on air as well. And also, it is asked to direct the investigating agencies.
Stay with us. Dr. Swati Jindal Garg, AOR Supreme Court, also joins us live. Dr. Garg, what do you make of this PIL that has now been filed in the Supreme Court?
Well,
what is the maintainability of it looking like?
Well, it has a very strong maintainability, especially in the light of the NEET fiasco that we've just had. And the PIL raises certain credible questions. It clearly shows, there are viral OMR sheets that the PIL talks about, which clearly shows manipulated results, coupled with the fact that a blacklisted agency that has already been blacklisted by the Staff Selection Commission has been rehired for this process now. What was the reason for the rehiring? Then we have the resignation of the JPSC chairman, which again raises credible questions.
Okay.
Thousands of students are protesting, that goes without saying. So you have a scenario where the Public Service Commission exams are rigged. Now the candidates that will be selected as a course of this rigged exam, the entire future of the nation is at stake here.
Okay.
So, of course, I think we cannot question the maintainability of the PIL.
Thank you, Swati, for joining us with your perspective. Thanks to Sambhav who joined us earlier as well. Now, Shiromani Akali Dal at a meeting